Got the motor all taped up, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean all the grime off of it. Little trick I learned off of Taylor Ray's YouTube video. Oven cleaner works just as good as degreaser and a lot cheaper. So spray this down and get the pressure washer down here and see how much we can clean this thing up. Cleaned quite a bit off. Still gonna pull the bottom oil pan and the upper oil pan as well, but definitely looks way better than before. Alright, after pressure washing the motor, it cleaned up really nice, but I wasn't very smart in tightening the valve cover all the way down as I was doing it, so now we got rust on the cams, so that's awesome. So, note to self, make sure everything's sealed and tight before doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the cams and lightly polish them, get the surface rust off, put some assembly lube on them, and reinstall them back in. Already got the front seal on, the new front seal, and the crank pulley back on, clean that up. So we'll go ahead and pull the cams, polish them up. And another comment from my last video, these are actually not aftermarket cams, these are factory SR20 cams. So yeah, so maybe down the road we'll do some brine crawlers or something. We'll see. Alright, we're back the next day. Got the cams all cleaned up and installed after my little mistake. Cam sprockets in and are torqued. And cleaned up all the surfaces there, and got our new ISR valve cover gasket on the valve cover. And we'll go ahead and do a bead of ultra gray, Permatex ultra gray, and these half moons on each side, and get our valve cover installed and torqued up. Then I can flip the engine over and move down to the lower oil pans and get all those cleaned up and put those together and get everything sealed. Alright, got a bead on the half moons. We'll go ahead and set the valve cover on.